Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use camera shortcut on Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to use camera shortcuts, let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your camera app, just open it, then tap on settings icon, then tap on more settings, and here you will get a setting of quick action for camera. You must have to read the description of the settings. Here's that double press the volume down button to launch camera when the screen is off. This is not available during music playback or your sensor is plugged. So it's mean that you have to double click or double press on volume down button to launch camera app if your screen is off. So as you can see I have already enabled the settings. Now go back, lock your screen, and then double press the volume down. And here you can see the camera has been launched, and that's how you can easily use camera shortcut on your Vivo phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.